Hey, what's up guys, what's up everybody? This is another video, another day. Today we're gonna learn how to hide your number of subscribers to your YouTube channel. If you want to hide the number of subscribers to your channel, it is a step. Please stay up with me and follow this step to hide your number. First up, open this YouTube profile on the right side, then go heading to YouTube Studio. As you see here, click that and it will open up this section. This is your Creator Studio, and go heading down to setting area. As you see below, left below, click there. It will open, it will pop up this page, this menu. Don't forget, don't go to channel section, click there in channel and heading to advanced setting tab, click this tab. It will open here. Scroll down to this until you meet this section. It says subscriber count. There will be a tick there to display number of subscribers to your channel. If you want to not to display them, then untick it and go to save. After there, now you're finishing to hide your number of subscribers. Then let's see, when you come back to our channel, our number of subscribers will be gone. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet to this channel for more tech videos.